In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Google Ads conversion ID, also known as the global site tag, using the 2025 interface in just 20 seconds. Now, while the process itself can actually take less time, we're going to walk you through it in detail to ensure you have a complete understanding of each step. So if you're ready to dive in, let's get started. Firstly, open your preferred web browser and navigate over to the Google Ads homepage. You can do this by typing in the URL or simply searching for Google Ads online, and it should be the first result you find. Once you've arrived at the site, you'll need to sign in. So keep an eye out for the sign in button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your credentials to access your account. If you haven't already, make sure that you're logged in with the account associated with the Google Ads you want to manage. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Google Ads homepage. This is your dashboard where you can view an overview of your campaigns and performances. From here, you're going to locate the left-hand menu. Your next step is to find and click on Goals. This will take you to a new screen dedicated to managing and setting goals for your ad campaigns. After selecting Goals, the interface will present you with a list of all the goals you've set. Identify and select the specific goal you wish to delve deeper into. Selecting a goal will bring up more detailed options and data specific to that goal. On this page, what you're looking for is something labeled Details. Clicking on Details will reveal a comprehensive breakdown of your goal metrics and configurations. Now, to get to the conversion ID, you'll need to proceed to the tag setup. This is usually a straightforward option clearly marked within the goal details section. By selecting Tag Setup, you'll initiate the process of locating or configuring your global site tag. At this point, you'll want to choose Use Google Tag Manager. This is especially useful if you're deploying tags across multiple platforms and want to keep your coding minimal and efficient. Finally, you're going to click on Conversion ID. This is the unique identifier for your specific conversion tracking, and one you'll need when configuring tags for better ad management and tracking. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to finding your Google Ads conversion ID. I hope this explanation made the process clear and easy to follow. If you have more questions, feel free to revisit this guide anytime. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your advertising efforts.